Hey everyone, so Claude 3 just came out, and so today I'm just going to give a comparison between Claude 1, Claude 2, Claude 3 Sonnet, and Claude 3 Opus. There is also Claude 3 Haiku, which should be really good. However, it's not available within OpenRouter, so we won't be looking at that one. Claude 3 Sonnet and Claude 3 Opus are, however, available. So this will be Claude 1, this is going to be Claude 2, this is Claude 3 Sonnet, this is Claude 3 Opus. And if you haven't seen this view of OpenRouter, it's just here, and then you go to chat. And when you're in chat, you can actually pick which model you want to play with, and then just toggle it on and off. Super simple, super easy. Now, today is the 11th. I already did one little thing with Claude 1. It costs less than a penny. And I'm going to be running the exact same prompt through all 4 versions. And so this is going to be the prompt. Just how would you write a scene about 2 people meeting at a bookstore? They both go for the same book. It's a meet cute, the kind you'd see in a romantic comedy. Please write this scene. I'll go slow so that you guys can actually read what it gives. We're looking at the prose. We're looking at how much editing it would need to get it up to our writing standards. And we're looking to see if it has any hiccups at all. Also the length of the output, because I'm not adding anything and I haven't toggled anything that would make it have a longer output, so this is exactly what you would get. Now just a little bit about Claude 3 and Opus and Sonnet, and this is just from what Anthropic sent out in an email when Claude 3 came out. So Claude 3 Opus is our most intelligent offering as well as the most capable model in the world on a wide range of benchmarks. It sets a new market standard, offering top-level performance on highly complex tasks, and shows us the frontier of generative AI's possibilities. So that's Opus, which I'll be showing you. Claude 3 Sonnet strikes the ideal balance between intelligence and speed, particularly for high-volume tasks. For the vast majority of workloads, Sonnet is 2 times faster than Claude 2 and Claude 2.1 with higher levels of intelligence. Okay, it sounds good. Claude 3 Haiku, which we won't be showing today, is the fastest and most cost-effective model on the market for its intelligence category and near-instant responsiveness. Now, OpenRouter may get Claude 3 Haiku. It's not available right now that I could find. If you've found it, definitely let me know, and I'll take another look. These things are changing so quickly. Everything's advancing really fast, so definitely changes can happen. So I'm just going to copy this really quickly, and then just send. And I already did this, but my dog was barking, so I had to restart the video. And that was what this little bit was. Just going to delete this once it's done. Okay, it's being pretty slow. Okay, let's go ahead and put that here. Let it come up with what it's going to do. I'm going to do that here too. This is Claude 3 Sonnet and Claude 3 Opus. So let's double check on 1. Still waiting on 1. All right then. Claude 3 or Claude version 2. I'm going to go slow and let you read it. So that's adorable. Really? Just gonna delete you. Try again. There we go. No, this is version 1. Okay. Still cute. Let's see what Claude 3 Sonnet gave us. It's a little bit more sensory detail. Still cute. And then whatever this is. Okay, so it did more like a screenplay. So that's interesting. All right, let's see how much that cost. So it's going to be, this one was a no-go. Claude 2, less than a cent. Claude 3 Sonnet, less than a cent. Claude 3 Opus, 2 cents. Claude version 1, less than a cent. So this was the most expensive. And what's funny about it is it's actually not at all prose. Let me see here. Please rewrite as a story. Okay. So let's see what Claude 3 Opus actually costs when we're dealing with a book. So still about 2 cents, so that's not terrible. So which one of these did you like the most? Here, I'll go slow on this one, just in case you didn't get a chance to read it. So out of Claude 3 Opus, Claude 3 Sonnet, Claude version 2, Claude version 1, which one was your favorite? Thanks for watching.